SoCal approach, Blanca 4201 Bravo.
Blanca 4201 Bravo, SoCal approach, go ahead.
01 Bravo's off Corona for Death Valley, Furnace Creek, Lima 06, climb at 10.5.
November 4210 Bravo, SoCal approach. Ontario altimeter 3012, ident standby for beacon code.
The 1200 ident, we're about a mile west of Paradise.
November 88 Hotel, contact Chino Tower.
Go to Chino Tower, 88 Hotel.
361 Delta Mike, SoCal approach, Ontario altimeter 3012.
Thank you.
November 808, descend and maintain 4,000.
544, 808.
November 32 Sierra, contact approach on 125.5.
25.5.
November 1 Delta Mike, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles westbound, Victor 186, Cessna 182, 6,000.
Thanks, we're looking, 1 Delta Mike.
November 58 Juliet, contact approach on 134.0.
SoCal approach at 134.0, 58 Juliet.
SoCal approach, Skylane 735, Whiskey Lima is with you, 7,900, climbing 9,500.
November 808, descend and maintain 3,000.
Down to 3808.
November 735 Whiskey Lima, SoCal approach, Ontario altimeter 3012.
3012, 5 Whiskey Lima.
November 01 Bravo, squawk 4752.
4752, 01 Bravo.
November 01 Bravo, your radar contact 4 miles northwest of the Paradise VOR, VFR climb approved.
01 Bravo, that's us, we're out of 6.
November 808, contact Riverside Tower 121.0.
3808.
November 88 Hotel, approach, correction, Chino Tower. November 1 Delta Mike, maintain VFR 9,000 for now.
Restricted to 9,000, 1 Delta Mike.
November 5 Whiskey Lima, maintain VFR 9,000 for now.
VFR 9,000, 5 Whiskey Lima.
Blanca 01 Bravo, contact approach on 127.25.
2725, 01 Bravo.
550 Juliet, Roger. Edwards altimeter 3022, descend and maintain 12,000, best rated descent.
SoCal, Blanca 42, correction, Joshua, Blanca 4201 Bravo, 10,500.
550 Juliet, turn right heading 350, vector descent. The other aircraft calling Josh first again.
Blanca 4201 Bravo, 10,500.
Blanca 4201 Bravo, Josh first, Roger. Palm altimeter 3021.
3021, at this altitude, can we overfly R2515 and 2524?
Blanca 01 Bravo, approved. Southwest 2233, contact Los Angeles Center on 128.37. Take care.
Today we're on a VFR flight from Corona to Furnace Creek, Lima 06. We're going to go in there and have brunch at the Furnace Creek Lodge, which is actually kind of a high-end place. Our surprise today was when we cleared the ridge line coming out of LA Basin, the Mojave Desert is covered with snow. We knew they got some snow out here Wednesday, but the fact that it lasted this long is kind of shocking. Frankly, I've never seen snow out here in the Mojave Desert below, say, 4,000 or 5,000 feet.
SoCal approach, Flexjet 428, 16,000 for 14,000. We're still working on the numbers here.
So the Furnace Creek Lodge opens at about October and closes on Mother's Day. When I was out there Mother's Day once before, it was 114 degrees when we left, so the season was pretty much ending. When you get to the airport, you walk over to the bathroom. There's a telephone you can pick up, and the phone will ring to the lodge, and they'll send a vehicle to come get you. Furnace Creek is in the national park system, and the entire area is contracted to a single company. So once you get there, you can go anywhere in Furnace Creek you want to go from the airport. They'll take you for free.
79er X-ray, it looks like the transponder is no longer reporting. Verify squawking 7306.
7306, and my respawn light is on.
Number 79er X-ray, Roger, radar contact lost, reset transponder 7306.
Reset it, 79er X-ray.
the valley you see ahead is actually Death Valley. It's 37.6 miles out. These mountains coming from this angle make the descent pretty tough. Right now the GPS is calling for an 850 foot a minute descent, but I really can't even get on that until they clear some of these peaks. Joshua, Blanca 4201 Bravo.
Hi, Blanca 01 Bravo, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm about to go behind the mountain here, and I got Furnace Creek in sight.
Blanca 01 Bravo, roger, radar service terminated, squawk 1200, frequency change, have a great day.
01 Bravo, thanks for your help today, good day. So we cleared the ridge line into going into Death Valley, so now we're going to start a letdown. It'll get kind of choppy here because this valley is surrounded by really high peaks, and of course Death Valley, the airport is 210 feet below sea level. Furnace Creek traffic, Blanca 4201 Bravo is 20 miles south inbound for landing.
That in Nevada, the second ridge?
325 is 14 south. We'll be descending on the way to Stovepipe Wells. Descending to 2,000 feet, Scott 325.
325, you're 14 south of Stovepipe?
14 south of Furnace Creek en route to Stovepipe.
Okay, Blanca 01 Bravo, we're 18 miles south of Furnace Creek, 190 indicated. We're out of 6,000 descending.
Hey, Skyhawk 325 is out of 4,000, indicating a mighty 120, and I'm on the west side of the valley.
Blanca 01 Bravo is out of 3,000, 11 miles south of Furnace Creek.
Hey, Skyhawk 325, I'm going to hold a 3,000, 8 miles from Furnace Creek.
Furnace Creek traffic, Blanca 4201 Bravo is 5 miles south of Furnace Creek. We'll enter on right traffic for runway 15. So Cessna, what do you do over at Stovepipe Wells? I've always entertained going there, but I don't know what people do.
Well, there's not much right at the airport, but about a mile and a half, 2 miles away is a really nice canyon you could hike to, and it goes back for miles, really narrow canyon, really steep sides. So we go there for hiking.
Okay, I'll put that on my list.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Furnace Creek, Blanca 01 Bravo downwind, runway 15, right traffic. Furnace Creek, Blanca 01 Bravo, final runway 15, we'll stop landing.
500.
That's full. So you can see this airport actually used to be extremely much larger. I know there were DC-3s coming in here back in the days when air carriers used those. So when they tore it up, they actually put these mounds of earth out here, so if you did come up short, you will destroy your aircraft. The other thing I'd say is stay on the runway. The ground is very soft off the runway, and it's not uncommon to see an aircraft here with the nose gear buckled up under the engine where somebody got off the runway. All right, 3 in the green, mixture ridge, prop set for go around.